Gentlemen, the classic polo shirt is an absolute staple in any mature man's wardrobe, but wearing it incorrectly can instantly make you look like a tired, uninspired dad heading to a weekend barbecue. It does not have to be this way. As we step into our 50s and beyond, it is time to elevate this simple garment into a spectacular statement of quiet luxury. Today, I am revealing the sophisticated secrets to making any polo look incredibly expensive. We are going to explore premium textures, flawless fits, and old money styling rules that guarantee you command absolute respect everywhere. And don't forget to subscribe to the Man Style Decree. 1. The luxury of sage green terry. Listen, wearing a polo shirt doesn't mean you have to look like you just finished mowing the lawn. If you want to instantly elevate your look, ditch the stiff cotton and grab a sage green terry cloth polo. This rich, towel-like texture is an absolute secret weapon for mature guys. It feels incredibly luxurious and gives off this fantastic retro resort vibe that looks insanely expensive. Pair this unique piece with some relaxed white linen trousers to keep things effortlessly cool for spring. You completely avoid that basic country club aesthetic while projecting pure, unbothered old money elegance. It is insanely comfortable, wildly stylish, and guarantees you command respect everywhere. 2. Elevating with Plum Merino wool. Most guys over 50 ruin polos by wearing faded colors that wash out their skin tone completely. You need to bring some serious depth back into your spring wardrobe. Try rocking a deep Plum Merino wool polo. Merino wool immediately upgrades the shirt from weekend casual to pure luxury. The drape is spectacular, hiding any extra weight around the middle perfectly. Tuck this rich polo into some sharply tailored charcoal gray trousers. The darker color palette remains incredibly elegant, but feels completely unexpected for warm weather. This simple combination completely destroys that boring suburban uniform. You effortlessly look like a guy with a massive portfolio and impeccable personal taste today. 3. The boldness of mustard cashmere. Stop buying those thin, practically transparent polos from discount department stores if you want to be taken seriously. Upgrade to a mustard yellow cotton cashmere polo to instantly show everyone you understand real quality. The cashmere blend provides a glorious softness and a subtle sheen that practically screams wealth. Mustard is a fantastic, bold spring color that brings phenomenal energy to an older face. Pair this stunning shirt with some dark navy blue denim jeans for a rugged yet sophisticated edge. This outfit proves that you can still dress dynamically without trying to look like a college kid. It is an extremely masculine, highly refined look that always wins out today. 4. Perfecting the dark olive peak. If you want to make a polo look incredibly expensive, you have to nail the fit and the fabric choice perfectly. Grab a dark olive peak polo with a slightly structured collar. A firm collar naturally frames your jawline, giving you a remarkably sharp, authoritative presence that floppy collars completely ruin. Olive green is phenomenally versatile for spring and looks exceptionally rugged. Match this beautiful polo with some pristine cream tailored jeans to to build a breathtaking contrast. This combination is an absolute masterclass in quiet luxury. You immediately strip away the boring dad vibes, replacing them with a highly curated, old money aesthetic that commands sheer admiration everywhere you go. Five, mastering the ice white cable. You can easily elevate a standard spring outfit by playing with unexpected knitting techniques. Swap out your basic shirts for a magnificent ice white cable knit polo. The intricate cable pattern provides a stunning three-dimensional texture that looks insanely bespoke and outrageously wealthy. It is a fantastic way to wear white without looking like an uninspired tennis instructor. Neatly tuck this masterpiece into some beautifully cut camel brown slacks. The resulting aesthetic perfectly captures that exclusive European resort energy. You stay ridiculously comfortable all afternoon while projecting an undeniably powerful, highly cultured presence. This brilliant styling trick guarantees you always look like the smartest guy in the entire room today. Six, discovering buttonless dusty rose. Getting rid of those frustratingly tight collars is a brilliant move for older guys wanting to relax. Embrace the magnificent dusty rose buttonless polo to immediately upgrade your casual rotation. The lack of buttons creates a wonderfully smooth, sweeping neckline that exudes unbothered aristocratic charm. Dusty rose is an exceptionally flattering color that adds youthful vibrancy to mature skin without looking ridiculous. Pair this incredibly elegant shirt with some perfectly tailored olive green chinos. You get a spectacular color harmony that screams sophisticated old money style. This flawless ensemble allows you to navigate upscale, spring weekend events looking unbelievably rich, tremendously relaxed, and highly respected by everyone around you daily. Seven, the authority of long sleeves. When a spring breeze picks up, short sleeves simply will not cut it for a refined gentleman. You must invest in a spectacularly crafted deep burgundy long sleeve polo. A long sleeve version inherently looks far more formal and tremendously expensive than its short sleeve counterpart. The rich burgundy shade projects immense power and deep masculine authority. Neatly tuck this flawless garment into some crisp stone gray dress pants for an unbeatable smart casual aesthetic. This exact combination perfectly bridges the gap between weekend leisure and serious business elegance. You confidently present yourself as a phenomenally successful man who completely understands the nuanced art of high wealth dressing rules today. Eight, breathable elegance in burnt orange. Breathability is absolutely crucial when navigating those warmer afternoon events, but you never want to sacrifice your elegant shape. A burnt orange open weave linen polo is the ultimate sartorial weapon here. The slightly porous texture allows fantastic airflow, while the vivid, earthy tone introduces an incredibly luxurious, artistic flair to your profile. Pair this magnificent shirt with some flowing dark brown linen trousers. This double linen approach is a legendary old money styling secret. It creates a phenomenally relaxed, highly affluent visual narrative. You will look completely unbothered by the heat, projecting an unbelievably smooth, cultured vibe that instantly commands the attention of any room you enter this week. Nine, upgrading to powder blue waffles. Stop letting those flimsy, overly synthetic performance polos ruin your distinguished mature appearance. If you want to look incredibly wealthy, you must prioritize substantial natural fabrics. Introduce a powder blue waffle knit polo into your regular spring rotation immediately. The raised waffle grid texture feels phenomenally rich and gives the shirt a remarkably structured, masculine drape. Beautifully anchor this soft, optimistic color by wearing it with some crisp navy blue pleated pants. The pleats provide outstanding comfort while maintaining a phenomenally sharp, aristocratic silhouette. This brilliant outfit entirely ditches the sloppy dad uniform, effortlessly establishing you as a man who values supreme quality and timeless sophistication every single day now. 10. The dominance of espresso jersey. Most casual shirts cling to the body in extremely unflattering ways as we get older. You can easily fix this by selecting garments with much heavier weights. Grab a magnificent espresso brown heavyweight jersey polo to instantly upgrade your physique. The thicker cotton falls beautifully straight down, completely masking any unwanted midsection curves while broadening your shoulders. Espresso brown is an incredibly luxurious, deep shade that perfectly complements older features. Match it flawlessly with some lightweight khaki linen pants to balance the outfit. This exceptional look is tremendously comfortable, yet projects an unbelievably rich, highly curated aesthetic that demands immense respect during any relaxed spring gathering outdoors this very season. 11. Refinement in forest green knits. Elevating a basic outfit requires a deep appreciation for subtle, luxurious textures. Replace your standard cotton shirts with an incredibly soft forest green fine gauge polo. This remarkably delicate knit feels like an absolute dream against the skin and looks phenomenally expensive from across the room. The dark green shade brings a majestic, earthy power to your spring wardrobe. Pair this exquisite piece with some beautifully tailored light tan corduroy pants. Corduroy adds an unbelievable dimension of old money charm and sophisticated ruggedness. This specific combination guarantees you step out looking unbelievably sharp, highly intelligent, and effortlessly wealthy without ever resorting to flashy, obnoxious designer branding anywhere in public today. 12. The sleekness of seamless taupe. Getting rid of irritating, bulky seams is an incredible secret to looking exceptionally polished. Introduce a magnificent warm taupe seamless knit polo to your collection immediately. The seamless construction provides an unbelievably clean, continuous drape that makes your torso look phenomenally athletic and sleek. Warm taupe is an outstanding neutral color that instantly telegraphs supreme, generational wealth and quiet luxury. Ground this incredibly soft, elevated shirt with some rugged charcoal, gray denim jeans. You create a brilliant visual tension between high-end knitwear and durable workwear. This flawless look completely eliminates the boring dad uniform, replacing it with an absolutely majestic, incredibly modern masculine elegance every single day of spring now. (13) Exploring slub linen in blue. Wearing completely smooth, flat clothing all the time makes your spring style incredibly boring and one-dimensional. To fix this, grab a spectacular steel blue slub linen polo. The slub technique weaves small, intentional knots into the fabric, creating an incredibly rich, organic texture that looks phenomenally bespoke. Steel blue is a wonderfully mature, distinguished color that beautifully highlights an older gentleman's facial features. Tuck this magnificent piece neatly into some pristine off-white tailored chinos. This magnificent combination simply radiates exclusive, high-society resort energy. You will effortlessly project a deeply cultured, vastly wealthy presence that proves you fully command the sophisticated art of elegant dressing today without any doubt at all. (14) Embracing pointelle knit textures. If you truly want to separate yourself from the average crowd, you have to embrace vintage-inspired menswear details. Introduce a rich mahogany, pointelle knit polo into your wardrobe immediately. The pointelle pattern features tiny, deliberately knitted holes that provide spectacular ventilation and an unbelievably luxurious, retro aesthetic. This shirt practically screams old money elegance. Pair this stunning masterpiece with some flawless light gray wool trousers. The contrast between the deeply textured brown shirt and the incredibly sleek gray pants is phenomenally sharp. You instantly project the majestic, unshakable confidence of a highly successful man who possesses impeccable, deeply curated taste in high-end spring fashion completely and totally right now today. (15) The majesty of pale gray. The ultimate sartorial flex for an older gentleman is wearing fabrics that feel like pure royalty. Discard those rigid cotton shirts and secure an incredibly opulent pale gray cashmere blend polo. The absolute softness of this garment is entirely unmatched, instantly elevating your physical posture and personal confidence. Pale gray operates as a magnificent spring neutral that beautifully flatters silver hair. Match this breathtaking shirt with some sharply tailored midnight blue slacks. This combination is a flawless execution of sophisticated tonal contrast. You will undoubtedly command immense respect everywhere you go, effortlessly radiating the powerful, quietly wealthy energy of a truly distinguished, highly refined man today and every single day. Transforming a basic polo into a masterclass of old wealth elegance is entirely about respecting the finest details. By carefully selecting premium fabrics like cashmere blends or textured knits, and pairing them with impeccably tailored trousers, you instantly project supreme masculine authority. You no longer look like a guy settling for mediocre weekend wear. You look like a highly successful gentleman who fully commands his environment. Upgrading your wardrobe is a direct investment in your lasting personal legacy. To permanently elevate your daily aesthetic and master sophisticated menswear, be sure to subscribe to the Man Style Decree.